So I'll be using the upper part of this gown as my illustration for the button placket. Okay, so the length I'll be needing for the placket is 4 inches long. Okay, so I'll be cutting about 6 to 7 inches long. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll fold my fabric like so into two. There's my chalk. Okay, so from here I have 1.6, 1.6. So I'll be needing 1.5 inches. Okay, and the length, okay, let me make use of 12 inches. I'll be making use of 12 inches for the length of the placket, and I'll be cutting out 2 pieces from this 12 inches long. So I'll just so what I'm doing next is placing the material on the gum stay. It's the lighter gum stay. Okay, so I'm just ironing it out. All right, as you can see. Then after ironing, I will divide them into two. Here I'm having 12.2 inches. Okay, so into two, that will give me 6.1 inch. So I'll cut it out. Okay, I'm trimming out the excess paper gum. At this point, it depends on how wide you want your blanket to be. Mark this out and fold it like so. And then do same for the other side. Okay, this is how I got something like this. Okay, I already made this one. I'm just using this for illustration. Okay, so this one I'm working with is 1.5 inches wide and in length 7.5. So the next thing I'll do is I'll use my chalk and rule out the center front. Okay, if you can see clearly, it's already folded, so I'm already having that line. So I just use my chalk to trace it out to make it more visible. And I take my plackets. You can see the two sides, the two open sides, so they will be opposite each other. So on this side it's open, and on this side it's open. It's closed here, it's open here, it's closed here, it's open here. So I'll fold it like so into two. I'll mark out the midpoint. Okay. So on this center front, remember I said the length of my placket is 4 inches. So you see, it's 4 inches. So right here, I'll come in by a 1/4 of an inch, okay? So like so. I will take it to my machine and sew just 1/4 of an inch straight like so. All right. So guys, I have finished sewing this part. I hope you can see it clearly. I finished sewing this part to the fabric, okay? So I hope you understand. Here is open and this other side is open, okay? Here is opened, this other side is open. So I haven't sewn here, so the next thing I'll do, I'll open this center front up. Then I'll stop. Then I'll stop about 1/4 of an inch. All right, then I go this way and also open up this way. Then I'll go like so. I'll stop where I stitched where the placket ends, okay? Then this way also, I'll stop where the placket ends. So can you see it? So can you see it? So the next thing I'll do, and I already secured this side with my pins, okay? You can see some pins here. So the next thing I'll do, I'll take one of the placket, the button placket. I'll open here like so. Fold this place down. Bend it. Open here like so. Fix this in. Fix this in like so. I use my pin. Secure this. Okay, you can see the back part, how neat it is. Then on the other hand, we are left with this. So I also take this one, open here up and tuck it in. Then I secure it with my pin. You can see it. Then I'll go over to my machine. I'll sew here and I'll sew here up. So guys, have finished sewing the plackets on both sides. Okay, can you see it? I double stitched, okay, so that it will hold it firm. This is it, okay. So I'll only be weaving this end. So what I'll do next is I'll just place it on top of the other one and cut out the excess. This is it. Thank you all for watching. God bless you and see you in my next video. Bye.